Right, what's the third lesson? All of you write down the main topic. Lesson number 3, fractions. Lesson number 3, fractions. Right, fraction is not a new lesson for you, no? From grade 6 class, you studied about fractions, right? First, you studied about what are the types of fractions. Then also you studied about how you can compare the fractions. Then also you studied about how you add the fractions. In grade 7 class, also you studied about how you can add and subtract about of the fractions, right? More theory you studied. Then in grade 8 class, you studied about multiplication and division of fractions, right? There are several types of fractions you studied, no? Proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed numbers, unit fractions, right? Like that, several types you studied on previous grades. Then this grade, another one mathematical operation you are going to study, and also we can discuss how you can simplify containing several mathematical operations containing fraction questions, right? And also in this lesson you can study how you can apply the practically you can apply the fractions to the questions, right? Before go to discuss our new part, I will revise your previous grade theory part briefly. Put the star mark and write down. Also, do you remember these two parts? When you write a fraction like this, there are two parts you can identify, no? This is one part and this is another part. The lower part is known as which name? Denominator of the fraction, no? Denominator. And the upper part is numerator. I think this one not need to write down of your book, no? This is normally grade 6 class, you have to study about this one, no? You studied, right? Then put the star mark and write down. There are several types of fractions. There are several types of fractions. Now we can note down few types of the fractions. Full stop. They are put a comma and next line write down number one, unit fractions, in front of it also you can note down some examples for the unit fractions, right? කෙටියෙන් අපි මේක ලියාගමු, ලොකු descriptions ඕනේ නැහැ, පොඩ්ඩක් මතක් කරගන්න. Unit fractions, what are the examples? Unit fractions mean if a numerator of the fraction is 1, we call them unit fractions, no? The examples: 1 over 2, 1 over 7, 1 over 5, 1 over 12, right? Like these fractions. What's the feature of it? Numerator, always the numerator is 1. Right. First type, write down unit fractions. Unit fractions. Then few examples write down for unit fractions. Second type, write down. Second type what? Proper fractions. Proper fractions. Proper fractions. Proper fractions mean what? If the numerator is less than to the denominator, they are known as proper fractions. No, numerator mean the upper part. No, if the upper part is less than to the denominator, they are known as proper fractions. Then we can write down few examples for the proper fractions. 2 over 5, 3 over 7, 9 over 10, 5 over 9, right? Like these fractions. Look at these all examples. The numerators are less than to its denominators. No, 2 is less than to 5, 3 is less than to 7, right? Like these fractions are known as proper fractions. Then third type, write down. Third type, improper fractions. Improper fractions. Improper fractions mean the opposite one of the proper fractions. No, that mean numerator is larger than to the denominator, right? උඩ තියෙන value එක පහළ තියෙන value එකට වඩා විශාල ඒවට අපි කියනවා improper fractions. 5 over 2, 7 over 3, 10 over 9, 9 over 5, right? Like these fractions. Then the fourth type, ඔයාලගේ videos ටික on කරගන්න. live නේ join වෙලා ඉන්නේ නේද class වලට? live join වෙනකොට on කරගන්නනේ. එක්කෙනාගේ දැනට videos on වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. හරි, එහෙම නැතුනොත් මටත් video off කරගෙන මම මෙතන කියවනවා ඔයගොල්ලෝ එතකොට ලියා ගන්නවා නේ. ඒකද videos ටික on කරගන්න live වෙනකොට. දැන් නම් තේරුම් නැහැ නේ නේද? right, improper fractions. හැමෝටම ඇහෙනව නේද? හරි, ඇහෙන අය on කරගන්න. Improper fractions. Then next type, write down mixed numbers. Mixed numbers. Mixed numbers mean the combination of the whole number part and proper fraction part, right? Like these fractions. 2, 3 over 5, 3, 9 over 10, 7, 5 over 7, right? Like these fractions are known as mixed numbers. In grade 6 and 7 classes, you studied about this part, right? Right, then to revise the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, we can do some examples. After that I will give some questions for you, right? So as a question, write down simplify the followings. Simplify the followings. As a question, write down simplify the followings. simplify the followings. Right, then first example write down. First example, හරි අපි පොඩි මේ වගේ ඉඳන් කරමු. හරි examples ටිකක් මතක් කරගන්න. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Right, first example write down. 2 over 5 add 1 over 5. 2 over 5 add 1 over 5. Right, when you add or subtract two fractions, what you have to check? You have to check the denominators of the fractions, no? Right, denominators. What are the denominators of these two fractions? 5 and 5. You have to check these two denominators are equal or unequal. If the denominators are equal of the fractions, it is no problem, we can simplify them. Right, if the denominators are unequal, you have to convert into them into equal denominators by using the equivalent fraction knowledge. You have to convert the denominators into same denominator. Right, this question no problem, no? The denominator is 5. So if the denominators are equal of the fractions, your answer denominator should be same denominator, no? අපි denominators දෙක add කරන්නේ නැහැ නේද? මොකද කරන්නේ? If the denominators are equal of the fractions, the answer denominator is same denominator. Then what you have to do? You have to simplify two numerators, 2 and 1 you have to add. Then what is the answer? 3 over 5. Right, 3 over 5. So the first example answer is 3 over 5. Right, quickly do them. Quickly write down. Right, second example write down. Second example, දැන් addition එකේදී subtraction එකේදී න ඕකම විතරයි කරන්නේ. හරි, add කරනකොට numerators add කරන්න ඕන, subtract කරනකොට ඒ අදාළ operation එක කරන්න ඕන. හරි, denominators equal කරගන්න එක වැදගත් වෙනවා addition and subtraction. Right, look at the next one. Three over 4 add 1 over 5 add 1 over 2. There are three fractions you can see. Then you have to add these three fractions. Right, so what you have to do? There are three fractions, no? First you check the denominators of them. What are the denominators? 4, 5, 2. Denominators are equal or unequal? They are unequal. Then what you have to do? You have to get the equal denominators, no? By using the LCM knowledge, you have to find the suitable denominator for these three values. Right, some students multiply these all values. 4 multiply 5 20, 20 multiply 2 40. It is incorrect method. Right, so what you have to do? Quickly you can find the LCM of these three numbers. How you can find the LCM? You revise also grades 7, 8 knowledge. You can divide by the prime numbers, these three, no? First you can divide by 2. 4 divide to 2, 5 we can't divide, 2 divide to 1. Then again this 2 you can divide by 2. So these numbers you divide by 2. 2 divide to 1, 5 we can't divide, and here 1. Then again you can divide by 5, 1, 5 divide 5, 1, 1. Then what is the LCM? 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. 2 multiply 2, 4, 4 multiply 5, 20. So what is the suitable denominator for these three numbers? 20. So we can write all the fractions denominator as 20. Then you check to write down the equivalent fractions. 4 you have to convert into 20. So what you have to do? First fraction you have to multiply by 5, no? Both numerator and denominator you have to multiply by 5. 3 multiply 5, 15. 4 multiply 5, 20. Second fraction 5 you have to convert into 20, so you have to multiply by 4. 1 multiply 4, 4. 5 multiply 4, 20. This fraction denominator 2 we want to convert 20, so you have to multiply by 10. 1 multiply 10, 10. 2 multiply 10, 20. Now all fractions denominators are equal. Now no problem, you can simplify this one, no? All are addition given. So the answer denominator 20, same denominator, you have to add these three, 15, 4 and 10 you have to add. 15 plus 4, 19, 19 plus 10, 29. So the answer is 29 over 20. Which type of fraction it? It is an improper fraction, no? You remember, you can't keep the answers. You can't keep the final answers. Improper fractions. We can't keep improper fractions as the final answer of the questions, right? So if you got improper fraction as the answer, you have to convert into mixed number, right? How you can convert into mixed number? Also you revise converting the mixed numbers. 29 you have to divide by 20. 29 divide 20. 29 divide 21. 1 times 20, 20. Remaining 9. So what is the answer? 1, it is the whole number. 20, it is the denominator. And this remaining value is the numerator, 9. So what is the final answer? 1, 9 over 20. Right? 1, 9 over 20. හරි නේද? හරි. ඔයගොල්ලෝ අවශ්‍ය points ටික note කරගන්න. හරි මොනවා හරි මතක නැතිව තියෙනවා නම් මොකද දැන් අපි මෙතනදී මේ ඔක්කොම operations කවල මේ එකට දාලා කරන්න යන්නේ. Right? Right. This is the writing positions. This one is the whole number. This one is the numerator and this one is the denominator. Right. So subtract කරනකොටත් ඔය වගේම තමයි කරන්න ඕනේ නේද? හරි. ඔය වගේම denominators check කරගෙන equal ද කියලා බලනවා. equal නැත්නම් equal කරගන්නවා මේ වගේ. හරි. ඊට පස්සේ අදාළ operation එකට ගිහිල්ලා අපි වැඩේ complete කරගන්නවා. Right. Then also you revise the multiplication of the fractions. Third example. One 2 over 3 multiply 7 over 10. Right, it is the third example. Right, also you revise the theory of the multiplication of fractions. Right, in grade 8 class you studied about this part. First of all, what you have to do, if there are mixed numbers containing the question, first you have to convert all mixed numbers into improper fractions. It is the first step, right? How you can convert the mixed numbers into improper fraction? This is the mixed number here. The denominator is 3. Mixed number denominator is 3. So also your when you convert into improper fraction, its denominator should be same value, no? So what is the denominator of the mixed improper fraction? Same denominator, 3. Then how you can get the numerator? Numerator getting method you revise. First you have to multiply this denominator and whole number. 3 multiply 1. 3 multiply 1 is 3. Then you have to add the numerator value. 3 multiply 1, 3. 3 add 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Right? 5 over 3. Multiply 7 over 10. Now you can do the next step. No? What's the next step? When you multiply the two fractions, you have to simplify numerators and denominators. Right? What are the numerators and denominators you can simplify here? උඩ යට තියෙන numbers අපිට divide කරන්න පුළුවන් නේද බෙදෙන ඒවා. Right? 5 and 10 you can divide by 5. 5 divide 5 1. 10 divide 5 2. Further we can't simplify them, no? Then what you have to do, multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators separately. 1 multiply 7. 7. 3 multiply 2 6. 7 over 6. Is it the final answer? No. Why? Because this is an improper fraction, no? Improper fractions we can't keep as the final answers of the fractions. You have to convert into mixed number. 7 divide 6. 7 divide 6 1. 1 times 6 6 remaining 1. So what is the answer? 1 over 6. Right? 1 over 6. Right, then let's go to the fourth example. Next I am going to discuss about the division. Do you remember reciprocal of a fraction? Reciprocal කියලා එකක් මතකයිද නේද? Reciprocal mean what? You think the fraction is 3 over 5. Its reciprocal mean what? Interchange the numerator and denominator, no? Right? Interchange the numerator and denominator. උඩ යට මාරු කරලා ලියන එකට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ reciprocal. So how you can write the reciprocal of this one? This denominator is 5, so you have to write it as the numerator, and numerator 3 you take it to denominator. So what is the reciprocal of 3 over 5? 5 over 3. Then look at this one. 1 2 over 5. What is the reciprocal? කොහොමද මේක reciprocal එක අපි ගන්න? You can't write the reciprocal of mixed numbers. Right? Mixed numbers first you have to convert into improper fractions. So first you have to convert this one into improper fractions. This denominator is 5. Improper fraction denominator also 5. 5 times 1 5. 5 plus 2 7. This is the improper fraction of this mixed number. Then what you have to do? Then you can write the reciprocal. 7 over 5. So the reciprocal is 5 over 7. Right? When you do the division questions of the fractions, this reciprocal also we have to use. Right? ඔන්න එන reciprocal එක මතක් කරගන්න. Then let's go to do example for division. First example, right? Fourth question, write down. Two 3 over 5 divide 5 over 12. How you can get the answer? Also, the previous question I told you, first of all, if there are some mixed numbers of the question, you have to convert them into improper fractions, right? So this mixed number, first you have to convert into improper fraction, no? Denominator is 5. 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Divide 5 over 12. Then what you have to do? 13 over 5. This division we have to write as multiplication. Division එක multiply විදියට change කරලා ලියනවා, right? Then what you have to do? After the fraction of division, division එකට පිටිපස්සෙන් තියෙන fraction එකේ write the reciprocal. උඩයට මාරු කරලා ලියනවා, right? 5 over 12 no? So reciprocal is 12 over 5. Then you have to follow the steps of multiplication. ඊට පස්සේ multiplication එකක් විදියට මේක කරගෙන යනවා. You check, can you simplify numerators and denominators? Can't. So what you have to do? Separately multiply numerators and denominators. 5 multiply 5, 25. 13 multiply 12. 12 times 3, 36. Remaining 3. 12 times 1, 12 plus 3, 15. 156 over 25. It is an improper fraction, no? So you have to convert into mixed number. 156 divide 25. 156 divide 25 is 6. 6 multiply to 25. 150. Remaining 6. So the answer is 6 over 25. Right, they are the theory you studied from grade 6 to now, no? Grade 6, 7, 8 classes you studied about these parts. Right, quickly write down the examples. දැන් මේ knowledge එක use කරගෙන මම questions පහක් දෙන්නම්, ඒ පහ හදන්න. ඊට පස්සේ අපි අපේ අලුත් part එකට යනවා grade 9 එකේ, right? Right, by using this theory, quickly you do these questions. Right, first question, write down. First one. First one, 9 over 28 divide 3 over 7. It is the first one. Second one, 3 over 5 multiply 2 1 over 2. It is the second one. Third one, 7 over 12 plus 3 over 4. I think 4 questions are enough, no? Next one, write down 5 over 6 subtract 1 2 over 3. Right. Quickly, you do these 4 questions. Correctly try to complete them. Right, are you finished now or still doing? Right, first one, look at. First question is 9 over 28 divide 3 over 7. There are no mixed numbers, so normally you can do, no? 9 over 28. Division we have to write as multiplication. After the division fraction, reciprocal you have to write. Reciprocal mean interchange the numerator and denominator. So the fraction reciprocal is 7 over 3. Then you have to follow the rules of multiplication. Simplify the numerators and denominators. 3 and 9 you can divide by 3. 3 divide 3 1, 9 divide 3 3. 7 and 28 you can divide by 7, 1, 4. Further, we can't simplify numerators and denominators. So separately multiply the numerators and denominators. 3 multiply 1, 3. 4 multiply 1, 4. So the first one answer is 3 over 4. Right? You check your answers. First one answer. Then let's go to the second one. Second one is 1, 3 over 5 multiply 2, 1 over 2. These both are mixed numbers. So first of all, mixed numbers you have to convert into improper fractions. Denominator is 5. Numerator 5 multiply 1. 5. 5 plus 3. 8. Multiply. This one numerator, denominator 2. Numerator 2 multiply 2. 4. 4 plus 1. 5. Then you simplify. Multiplication, no? Simplify the numerators and denominators. 2 and 8 you can divide by 2. 1. 8 divide 2, 4. 5 and 5 you can divide by 5. 1, 1. Then I can write the answer 4 multiply 1, 4. 1 multiply 1, 1. You remember a fraction denominator is 1. If the fraction denominator is 1, you can write it as a whole number. Right? Any whole number denominator should be 1. So this answer you can write as the whole number 4. Right? This is the second question answer. Then let's go to the third one. Third question I gave as the addition. 7 over 12 add 3 over 4. I told you when you add or subtract the fractions, first you have to check the denominators of them. No, denominator should be equal, right? These two denominators are unequal, so you have to convert into equal denominators. How you can convert? You have to find the LCM of 4 and 12. Quickly you can find the LCM of 4 and 12. These two numbers you can divide by the prime numbers. 2. 4 divide 2, 2. 12 divide 2, 6. Again you can divide by 2. 2 divide 2, 1. 6 divide 2, 3. Now you can divide by 3, 1, 1. So the LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 times 2, 4. 4 multiply 3, 12. So what's the common denominator for these two? 12. So both fractions you have to convert into denominator 12. First fraction not need to change, no, because its denominator is 12. So you can write this fraction 7 over 12. Same fraction you can write here, not need to change. Second fraction denominator is 4. We want to convert into 12. So what you have to do? This fraction you have to multiply by 3. 3 multiply 3, 9. 4 multiply 3, 12. Now the denominators are equal, no? So answer denominator is same one, 12. You have to simplify these two. 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. Also remember, you can write the simplest form of this one, okay? That means this numerator and denominator you can divide by the same value, no? By which value you can divide? You can divide by 4. So what is the simplest form of it, 16 divide 4, 4, 12 divide 4, 3. So the answer is 4 over 3, but it is not the final answer because it is an improper fraction. So improper fractions you have to convert into mixed numbers. 4 divide 3. 4 divide 3 is 1. 1 times 3, 3, remaining 1. So what is the final answer? 1, 1 over 3. Right, this is the third question. Then also I gave the fourth one, this one. Fourth question I will do here. 3, 5 over 6, subtract 1, 2 over 3. What you have to do first? Earlier I told you, first of all, mixed numbers you have to convert into improper fractions. No? So there are two mixed numbers you can see here. First you have to convert into improper fractions. Denominator 6. So improper fraction denominator same value 6. 6 times 3, 18. 18 add 5, 23. Subtract this one denominator 3. So also the denominator of the mixed improper fraction same one 3. 3 multiply 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Right, first step is completed. Then what's the second step? You have to check the denominators. Denominators are unequal, no? 6 and 3. So you have to find the LCM of them. What's the LCM? 6 and 3, right? Like using the division method, you can get quickly. You can divide by 2. 6 divide 2, 3. 3 we can't divide. Then you can divide by 3, 1, 1. 2 multiply 3. So the denominator, common denominator should be 6. Now we can write both of the fraction as the denominator 6. First fraction not need to change because its denominator is 6. Second fraction denominator 3 we have to convert into 6. So you have to multiply by 2. 5 multiply 2, 10. Right? Now the denominators are equal. So the answer denominator is same denominator 6. 23 minus 10. 23 minus 10 is 13. But this is not the final answer because it is an improper fraction. You have to convert into mixed number. No? 13 you have to divide by 6. 13 divide 6, 2. 2 times 6, 12. Remaining 1. So the final answer is 2, 1 over 6. Right? They are these questions I gave to revise your previous grades. Okay? Grade 6, 7, 8. Are you class 3 දී මොන්න ඔය ටික තමයි මේ වෙනකොට discuss කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Right. Now we are going to discuss our new part of grade 9 part. You write down the subtopic. Simplifying expressions simplifying expressions simplifying expressions of fractions containing within inverted comma write down of within inverted comma of Of mean another mathematical operation, right? Do you remember previous grades have you studied about BODMAS rule? BODMAS කියලා rule එකක් ඉගෙන ගත්තද grade 7 එකේදී එහෙම නැද්ද? Right. හරි අපි එන මේකෙන් පස්සේ BODMAS rule එකක් discuss කරමු, right? Write down simplifying expressions of fractions containing of. It is the new subtopic. Simplifying expressions of fractions containing of. Right, then we can do some examples. You write down as a question these examples. Simplify the followings. Simplify the followings. Simplify the followings. Right, example number 1. Example number 1, write down. One over 2 of 2 over 5. 1 over 2 of 2 over 5. හරි හොඳට බලා ගන්න. හරි මේක අලුත් තියරි එකක් නේ නේද? Of another mathematical operation, right? Of. හරි මෙහෙමයි off කියනකොට මහා ලොකුවට හිතන්න එපා. හරිද? මහා ලොකු දෙයක් නැහැ මෙතන. off තියෙන තැනට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. හරි මේ වගේ මොකක් හරි question එකක off කියලා operation එකක් තිබුණොත් mathematical operation එකක් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට කරන්න තියෙන්නේ off එක ගලවලා ගන්න අරගෙන දාන්න එතනට multiply. Right? හරිද? off එක අයින් කළා multiply sign එක දාන්න. Right. Now look at how you can do this one. Okay. 1 over 2 of mean what? Of mean multiply. Multiply 2 over 5. Right? දැන් පුළුවන් නේද කරන්න? දැන් තියෙන grade 8 කරපු දේනේ multiplication of two fractions. Right? What you have to do? You have to simplify the numerators and denominators, no? 2 and 2 you can divide by 2. 2 divide to 1, 2 divide to 1. Further you can't simplify numerators and denominators. Then what you have to do? Separately multiply the numerators and denominators. 1 multiply 1, 1. 1 multiply 5, 5. So what is the answer? 1 over 5. Right? 1 over 5. Can you understand? Of mean what? Of remove and put multiplication instead of. හරි of එක අයින් කළා of තියෙන තැනට of වෙනුවට දාන්න multiply. Right. Quickly write down the first example. This fraction lesson is very important lesson for you. Okay. Also you have to study in grade 10 class, grade 11 class. Right. That means all grades you have to study it about fractions. Then for your O-level examination, 10 marks compulsory question should be given from the fractions. Right. And also another maybe 2 marks question for the first part. That means normally 12 marks you can get by using the fractions. Right. Second example, write down. Example number 2. 2 over 3 of 2 over 3 of 1 4 over 5. 2 over 3 of 1 4 over 5. Right. Now how you can simplify this one? What you have to do? Also the previous examples, when I discussed the previous examples, I told you when you do the fractions, first of all, if there are some if there are some mixed numbers of the question, convert them into improper fractions. හරි හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න fractions question එකක් කරනකොට අපි හැමතිස්සෙම mixed numbers තියෙනවා නම් ඒක මුලින්ම improper කරගෙන ඉන්න. ඊට පස්සේ අපිට පුළුවන් mathematical operations check කරගන්න. Right? You can see here mixed number, no? 1 4 over 5. So this mixed number first you convert into improper fraction. 2 over 3 of මම off එක තියා ගන්නවා. ඉස්සෙල්ලා මේක විතරක් කරනවා. Denominator is 5. Numerator 5 multiply 1 5. 5 plus 4 9. Right? Now we can go to off. 2 over 3 of mean what? Remove off and put multiplication. 9 over 5. Now you can follow the multiplication rules. Simplify the numerators and denominators. 3 and 9 we can divide by 3. 3 divide 3 1. 9 divide 3 3. Further we can't simplify numerators and denominators, no? So 2 multiply 3 6. 1 multiply 5 5. 6 over 5. We got the answer as 6 over 5. 6 over 5 is an improper fraction, no? So improper fractions you can't keep as the final answers. You have to convert into mixed number. Right? 6 you can divide by 5. 6 divide 5 1. 1 times 5 5. Remaining 1. So what is the answer? 1 1 over 5. Right? 1 1 over 5. Right? It is the mathematical operation of. Right? Also you write down this example. Then I will give another example for you. Right, third example, write down. Third example, 2 over 5 of 2000. 2 over 5 of 2000. Right, then what you have to do? 2 over 5 of mean multiply 2000. 2000 mean the numerator value, no? If you want, you can write the denominator. Right? දැන් මම කලිනුත් කිව්වා නේද all number එක denominator එක කීයද 1. Right? If you want, you can put here 1. It is not compulsory. If you want, you can put. Now you can follow the rules of multiplication. Numerators and denominators you check. You can divide 5 and 2000, no, by 5. 5 divide 5, 1. 2000 divide 5, 400. Further we can't simplify, no, right? So you multiply. 2 multiply 400, 800. 1 multiply 1, 1. The fraction denominator is 1. If the fraction denominator is 1, you can write it as a whole number. So what is the answer? 800. Right? 800. Right. Can you understand this part of mathematical operation? ඔබලන් තේරුණායි hands up කර, raise hand කර. Of mathematical operation. Right. Hands down and quickly note down the examples. Then I will give the exercise questions for you to do quickly. Right, now quickly you do 3.1 exercise, question number 1. There are 8 subparts given here. Right, quickly do these questions. After complete this part, we can go to discuss our next part. Right, now let's go to check the answers. No, there are 8 parts given of this question. Right, first one, look at 2 over 3 of 4 over 5. 2 over 3 of mean multiply 4 over 5. We can't simplify the numerators and denominators, so you have to multiply them. No, 2 times 4 8, 3 times 5 15. 8 over 15 is a proper fraction, so the final answer is 8 over 15. Second part, look at 6 over 7 of multiply 1 over 3. Now you can simplify this 3 and 6. You can divide by 3. 1, 2. Only you can divide numerator and denominator values. Okay. 2 times 1, 2. 7 times 1, 7. So the answer is 2 over 7. Third one, 2 over 5 of mean multiply 5 over 8. Simplify the numerators and denominators. 5 and 5 you can divide by 5. Also 2 and 8 you can divide by 2. 2 divide to 1, 8 divide to 4. Then 1 multiply 1, 1, 1 multiply 4, 4. So the answer is 1 over 4. Number 5, look at 5 over 6 of mean multiply 9 over 11. Now you can simplify 6 and 9. No, you can divide by 3. 6 divide 3, 2. 9 divide 3, 3. Further, we can't simplify numerator and denominators. So so you multiply 5 multiply 3, 15. 2 multiply 11, 22. So the answer is 15 over 22. Then let's go to the fifth part. Fifth part, you can see the mixed number. No, so first of all, you convert this mixed number into improper fraction. It is the first step. 2 over 7 of denominator is 4. 4 multiply 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 2 over 7 of mean multiply 7 over 4. Now you can simplify the numerators and denominators. 7 and 7 you can divide by 7. 2 and 4 you can divide by 2. So the answer is 1 multiply 1, 1. 1 multiply 2, 2. So the final answer is 1 over 2. Number 6. Both of the numbers are mixed numbers. So first you convert into improper. Denominator is 3. 3 multiply 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Of denominator 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 4 over 3 of mean multiply 21 over 8. Now you can check numerators and denominators. 4 and 8 we can divide by 4. 4 divide 4, 1. 8 divide 4, 2. 3 and 21 you can divide by 3. 1. Here 7. 1 multiply 7, 7. 1 multiply 2, 2. 7 over 2. It is the answer, no? But it is not the final answer because it is an improper fraction. Improper fractions we can't keep as the final answers. You have to convert into mixed numbers. 7 you can divide by 2. 7 divide 2, 3. 3 times 2, 6. Remaining 1. So the answer is 3. 1 over 2. Then let's go to number 7. Both are the mixed numbers. First you convert into improper. 11 times 1, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 over 11 of 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 over 2. Then I can write of mean multiplied. So you can write this one. Then 11 and 11 you can divide by 11. No? 1, 1. 2 and 14 you can divide by 2. 14 divided 2, 7. 7 times 1, 7. 1 times 1, 1. If the denominator is 1 of the fraction, you can write it as a whole number. So the answer is 7. Next one, one mixed number you can see here. First you convert it into improper fraction. Denominator is 5. 5 times 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 5 over 9 of mean multiply. 9 over 5. Now we can simplify the numerators and denominators. No, 5 and 5 you can divide by 5. 9 and 9 also you can divide by 9. 1 multiply 1, 1. 1 multiply 1, 1. 1 over 1 means the answer is 1. Right, they are the all answers of the first question of 3.1 exercise. Right, this part is okay. Can you understand whole thing? Hari දෙය ටික හැමෝගෙම. Right. Okay, then we are going to discuss our next part. You write down the next subtopic. Right, all of you write down the new subtopic. Simplifying expressions. Simplifying expressions. Simplifying expressions with brackets, with brackets according to the BODMAS rule. Right, what is this rule? BODMAS rule. Right, first you understand what's the meaning of BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule mean the first letters of the mathematical operations, right? By getting the first letters of the mathematical operations, we build up the rule, right? ඒ කියන්නේ ඕගොල්ලෝ දැන් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මෙන්න මෙහෙම questions දෙනවා කියලා හිතන්නකෝ. right මෙන්න මේ වගේ questions දෙනවා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට හරිද ඒතර බලන්න මෙතන එක question එකක් ගත්තොත් මෙන්න මෙතන බලන්න multiply bracket subtraction division නේද there are several mathematical operations containing of these questions right when include several mathematical operations of the question we have to apply the BODMAS rule right first you identify what's the meaning of BODMAS මොකද මේ BODMAS වලින් represent වෙන්නේ B mean bracket, right? B mean bracket. O mean of D division. M multiplication. A addition. And S subtraction. This is the order of the mathematical operations you have to simplify if there are several mathematical operations containing of a question. හරිද? එන අර operations ගොඩක් තියෙනවා නම් mathematical operations ගොඩක් question එකේ තියෙනවා නම් අපිට ඕන විදියට ඒවා simplify කරලා හරියන්නේ නැහැ. මෙන්න මේ order එකට අපි ඒ operations ටික simplify කරන්න ඕන. ඔන්න ඔකට තමයි BODMAS rule කියලා කියන්නේ. Right. By using the different color pen you write down the meaning of the BODMAS. Right. මේ විදියට clearly ලියා ගන්න පහලට BODMAS කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? Right. Now let's go to do few questions related the BODMAS rule, right? How you can follow the BODMAS rule correctly, right? Few examples we can do. First question, write down. First example, write down of your book. Example number 1. හරි නේද BODMAS එක ලියාගත්තානේ ඔය වෝඩ් එක මතක තියාගන්න BODMAS කියලා මතක තියාගත්තාම හරි හරි එතකොට ඒ letters වලින් කියවෙන operations ටික මතක තියාගන්න හරි මේ first letters ටික අරගෙන තමයි අපි ඔය rule එක හදාගෙන තියෙන්නේ BODMAS right first example look at example number 1 write down 4/10 of bracket 1/6 add 1/4 close the bracket. Right, this one quickly write down of your book as the first example. Right, you can see there are several mathematical operations of this question, no? Of bracket, addition. Then we have to follow the BODMAS rule, right? I will write here BODMAS. Then you check what are the position of the mathematical operations of BODMAS rule. First you can see of mean this one, no? Then you can see bracket mean this one. Then you can see addition, right? According to the BODMAS rule, the first mathematical operation bracket, second one of, and third one addition of this question. හරි අපි BODMAS rule එක follow කරාට පස්සේ මෙන්න මේ order එකට තමයි මේකේ තියෙන operations ටික තියෙන්නේ, right? So first you have to do which mathematical operation, bracket, inside the bracket you have to simplify, right? එහෙනම් අපි දැන් ඔන්න simplify කරන්න යනවා 4/10 of, inside this bracket you have to simplify according to BODMAS rule. First you have to do the bracket, inside the bracket simplify. Inside the bracket you can see these two fractions addition, no? 1/6 and 1/4, right? Now how you can add these two fractions? First you check the denominators, 6 and 4 unequal. Then what you have to do, you have to find the LCM of these two. You can divide by 2, 3, 2, again divide by 2, 3, 1, again divide by 3, 1, 1. So what is the LCM? 2 multiply 2, 4, 4 multiply 3, 12. So these two fractions LCM you can write as the denominators, right? අපි අර කලින් step by step කරා වගේ මේ addition එකක් කරන්න විතර නේද? අනිත් ටික එහෙමම තියාගෙන bracket ඇතුළ solve කරනවා. 6 we have to convert into 12. So you have to multiply by 2. 1 multiply 2, 2. Next fraction denominator 4 we want to convert into 12. So you have to multiply by 3. 1 multiply 3, 3. 4 multiply 3, 12. Right? Then what you can do, 4/10 of, simplify. Denominator is 12. 2 plus 3, 5. Right, දැන් බලන්නකො අර මුලින් තිබුණ විදිය ටිකක් දරුණුවට නෑ නේද? අපි ඒක ටිකක් shape එකේ අඩු කරගෙන තියෙනවා mathematical operations ටික, right? Then another one mathematical operation you can see, of mean what? Multiply 5/12. Then using the multiplication knowledge you can do this one. Simplify the numerators and denominators. 5 and 10 you can divide by 5. 1, 2. 4 and 12 you can divide by 4. 1, 3. So the final answer is 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 3, 6. 1/6, right? It is the final answer of the question, right? Can you understand this step? හරි මොනවද කරන්න ඕන අපි BODMAS rule follow කරන්න අර වැඩිපුර mathematical operations තියෙනවා නම්, right? Quickly write down the answer. Right, now you go, we can go to discuss another example. Second example, look at. Within bracket 1 2 over 5 divide 2 1 over 3 close the bracket of another bracket 2 over 3 subtract 1 over 2. This is the next example, right? You have to simplify. Right, now let's go to, there are several mathematical operations, no? So you have to follow the BODMAS rule, no? Right, there are two brackets you can see of this question, no? This is the first bracket and this is the second bracket. Also of you can see division, subtraction, right? Several mathematical operations you can see. Right, according to BODMAS rule, first you have to do what? Bracket, no? There are two brackets you can see, right? Then what you can do, both brackets we have to simplify, right? If you want, you can simplify the brackets from left to right. But before you go to simplify the brackets, first step what? Also earlier I told you, no? First of all, what you have to do, convert mixed numbers into improper. හරි, question එක mixed numbers තියෙනවා නම් එයාලා improper වලට convert කරගන්න එක තමයි මුල්ම දේ අපේ කරන්න තියෙන. Right, here you can see the mixed numbers, no? So first I am going to convert into improper. 5 times 1 5, 5 plus 2 7, divide denominator 3, 3 times 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, of this one is no problem, they are proper fractions, no? Right, then you have to simplify the brackets, no? First as the first step you have to do the bracket. First I am going to simplify this bracket. 7 over 5 divide you have to write as multiplication and reciprocal after the division fraction. 3 over 7 of 2 over 3 minus 1 over 2. හරි, දැන් ඕනනම් මෙතනදිත් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේ ස්ටෙප් එකත් මේ ගමන්ම කරන්න පුළුවන්. හරි, එහෙම නැත්නම් මේක solve කරගෙන ඉවරලා එතනට යන්න පුළුවන්. Right, now I am going to simplify this bracket. 7 and 7 you can divide by 7. So what is the answer? 1 times 3 3, 5 times 1 5, of another bracket you can see. Inside this bracket subtraction given, no? Denominators are unequal, so you have to get the LCM. What's the LCM? 6 you can find by dividing the LCM. Okay, 6. So I will write these two fractions denominators as 6. First fraction 3 you have to convert into 6, so you have to multiply by 2. 2 multiplied to 4. Second fraction denominator 2, convert into 6. 2 multiply 3, no? So 1 times 3, 3. Then what you have to do? 3 over 5 of, simplify. Denominator is equal, so answer denominator 6. 4 minus 3, 1. Now only one mathematical operation you can see of 3 over 5 of mean multiply 1 over 6. Then simplify the numerators and denominators. 3 and 6 you can divide by 3. Further we can't simplify, no? So multiply numerators and denominators. 1 multiply 1, 1. 5 multiplied 2, 10. So the answer is 1 over 10. Right? 1 over 10. It is the final answer. Right. Can you understand this BODMAS rule application method of the questions? තේරෙනවද? ඔයාලන් raise hand කරන්න බලන්න. method එක clear අය? චෙනිත, දනුජ, වසන්ද තේරෙනවද මේවා? Right, quickly write down. හරි, තව අපි එක example එකක් discuss කරමු. ඊට පස්සේ මම homework දෙනවා. හරි. ඔච්චරයි මේ lesson එකේ තියෙන්නේ. Right, this is the third lesson of your syllabus. Right, then let's go to the next example. Example number 3. මේක තනියම කරන් try කරන්න. හරි මම විනාඩි 5ක් වගේ දෙන්නම් ඉක්මනට කරන් try කරන්න. 5 over 6 divide 7 over 18 of 2 over 3 multiply 3 over 4. You can see there are 3 mathematical operations here, no? Right? What are the operations? Division, of, multiplication. Then you check which operation first you have to do. හරි දැන් බලන්න BODMAS අරගෙන ඇවිල්ලා මොන operation එකද අපිට මුලින්ම කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. right මම විනාඩි 3ක් විතර දෙන්න ඉක්මනට හදන්න බලන්නකෝ තනියම right now let's go to check the answer. You can see there are three mathematical operations: division, of, and multiplication. Division mean this one, of multiplication. Right, according to the BODMAS rule, you can understand first you have to do of mathematical operation, no? Then we can do division. As a third step you can do multiplication, no? Here, right, of mean this part, no? Of here, right? එතකොට off කියන්නේ මෙතන තියෙන එක. එතකොට off කරන්න ඕන මොනවද අපි? එයාගේ දෙපැත්තේ ඉන්න දෙන්න. හරි? එතකොට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට අවශ්‍ය නම් පුළුවන් මෙන්න මෙහෙම මෙතනට පොඩි bracket එකක් දාගන්න. හරි? මේ දෙක තමයි අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලම of mathematical operation එකෙන් කරන්න ඕන. right? 5/6 divide 7/18 of mean multiply 2/3 multiply 3/4. හරි අර කරන ටික කරනවා ඉතිරි ටික අපි හැමම ලියනවා. right? Then you can simplify this part, no? 2 and 18 you can divide by 2. Further we can't simplify, so you can write 5/6 divide 7 times 1 7, 9 times 3 27, multiply 3/4. right? Then what you have to do next? Division, no? Next you have to do division, right? Division mean these two, no? Then what you can do? 5/6 division we have to write as multiplication. After the division fraction reciprocal we have to write. right? Then 6 and 27 you can divide by 3. 6 divide 3 2, 27 divide 3 9. Then what you can do? Further we can't simplify, no. 5 multiply 9 45, 2 multiply 7 14, multiply 3 over 4. Then another two fractions multiplication given here. First you check, can you divide by divide the numerator and denominator values? We can't simplify, no. So what you have to do, you have to multiply separately the numerators and denominators, right? 3 multiply 45, 3 times 5 15, remaining 1. 3 times 4 12, plus 1 13, 135. 14 multiply 4, 4 times 4 16, remaining 1. 4 times 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. This is the answer, but it is not the final answer because it is an improper fraction. Convert into mixed number. 135 you can divide by 56. 135 divide 56 2. 2 multiply 56 112. Then remaining 3 2 23. So the answer is 2 23 over 56. Right? It is the final answer of the question. හරි ඔන්න ඔහොමයි එහෙනම් අපි BODMAS rule එක follow කරලා questions කරන්න. හරි එතකොට අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මේ වගේ අර several operations තියෙනවා නම් mathematical operations දීලා තියෙනවා නම් අපි අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම BODMAS rule එක follow කරන්න ඕනේ. Right. Now you mark the homework questions. You have to do 3.2 exercise. Exercise question number 1. Question number 1 given there are 8 subparts, no, all parts you do right as the homework. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ මෙන්න මේ ටිකත් කරන්න second, third and fourth. That means all questions of 3.2. right එතකොට මේ lesson එකේ තියෙන්නේ ওই theory ටික විතරයි. එතකොට අපිට ඒ homework ටික check කරලා new lesson එකට යන්න තමයි ඊට පස්සේ තියෙන්නේ. right හරි එහෙනම් ඔන්න homework ටික හැමෝම mark කරගන්න. right 3.2 exercise all questions. right now I am going to stop the class session today. Next day we can meet with the homework questions and to start another new lesson. right let's go to stop the class session. Thank you for joining all of you. Good night and goodbye. See you next day.
Good night.